Dude, run. Run with it. Get him, go. Alright, dude, bring it back. Get the kitty. Oh. Water break?
Elephant, Daddy. Elephant. Elephant. String.
Dude, the kitty's trying to get the string.
Grasses are the state
And
this herb concentrates on digging up the roots, which have more nutrition than
Daddy,
Yes, dude.
it's my seatbelt.
It's your seatbelt?
Yes.
Maybe you shouldn't make Townie...
My seatbelt. My seatbelt.
all this shape.
My seatbelt. My seatbelt. He likes me running.
He likes you running.
Yeah.
We like you running. He gets you tired.
Many deserts.
You need to let out a little more rope, dude.
In mountains,
That's my seatbelt.
Yeah, let more seatbelt out so Townie will chase you. He's looking at you, dude. Look at him. Show him the rope.
known as a flash flood, and caused because the water may run for just a single day. Its event only happens once or twice a year at the most.
Water, Daddy. There's the water.
Alright, dude, one more run. Ready? Go!
My seatbelt.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Say, I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
Say, excuse me.
Good night.